Good morning. You guys are so kind and so thoughtful. You woke up this morning and you said, you know what? I want to go to my piggy bank and see how much money I have because I want to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get Mrs. Rentschler breakfast because she is awesome. You guys are so sweet. Down below this video, I'm going to list or link to Dunkin' Donuts to the menu. You went to your piggy bank and you found $13. So you're going to Dunkin' Donuts with $13. What will you buy me for breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts using your $13? You might need your whiteboard so that way you can do the math so you know how much you have left and if you've used too much, because you only have $13. And then down below Dunkin' is going to be a Word document to Google Classroom where you can write and tell me what you got me, or if you want to attach a video to Google Classroom and tell me what you got me that way, that would work too. I'm so excited to see what all yummy treats you guys get me for breakfast. Have a great day.